Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at these beautiful modern pendant lights. I have these over my kitchen island and I want to show you the installation process and then I'll tell you a little bit more about them. So here's a quick look at that.
Straight out of the box, everything arrives carefully packaged. You get a simple installation guide and then all parts necessary for installation, consisting of ceiling canopies and brackets, hanging pieces with ground wire, hardware and wire nuts, and then 4 11.8-inch down rods and 1 5.9-inch down rod for each fixture, E26 bulbs to fit, and then metal frames with the light socket, and lastly, the 21.6-inch glass cylinders for around the bulbs. Now on to installation, we chose to do a single down rod for each fixture in the 5.9-inch size. My husband fed the wire through the rod and fastened it to the metal frame. Then he took apart the hanging pieces to make it easier to feed the wire, also making it easier to fasten the attachment to the down rod. He placed the other side in the ceiling canopy and placed the ground wire, securing everything with a nut. Then he reattached the chain link and fed the wire through the canopy. He screwed in the bulb, placed everything inside the glass cylinder, and then secured that with the 4 decorative screws. Now, our previous pendant lights used a small hole with a bracket in the attic, so we chose to install these the same way in case we ever wanted to hang our old lights again. Therefore, we did not make the appropriate hole in the ceiling to use the included bracket. So we fed the wire into the ceiling where my husband then secured it, and he ran the wire to the junction box where he connected everything with the provided wire nuts.
So altogether, installation was really simple and I love the look of these pendants. They are very seamless, very modern, and I think that they're going to easily fit a range of different styles. I definitely love them here in my kitchen, paired alongside the other black accents that are in my home, and I love the look of the long 21-inch glass cylinders. Now this does use a standard E26 bulb, however it is a long bulb, and the color temperature is 3000 K. So they do not naturally match my recessed lighting. However, my recessed lighting has a halo effect where I can switch it over. So I really love these lights for giving a more cozy, comforting evening lighting. So I can use these by themselves or I can use them paired alongside with my halo recessed lights. The frame of this is made out of a painted brass, so it is very durable. It feels really well made and it feels nice and secure. We found it really convenient how adjustable these are as far as length goes because you get so many down rods. You can really customize the length and make sure that it's going to fit your home or the location that you're putting it in, which really makes these suitable for just about any ceiling height. These really have a beautiful lighting effect and we love the way that they look in our kitchen. If you guys were looking for some beautiful modern pendant lights for your kitchen or somewhere else in your home, these are a great option. I would definitely give them a try.